We're back here at my favorite place on earth, Costco, and we have not been here together for a hot minute, so I'm excited to go in and share with you some new products, new finds, and especially all the new holiday products that are in for the 2024 holiday season. There's a lot of really good stuff out there right now, so let's go in and see what's new at Costco September 2024. The first thing I saw when I walked in was this amazing Mickey Mouse Halloween jack-o'-lantern pumpkin arch. Look how amazing this is. And actually, my friend has this at her house over her front door, and it looks amazing. This is something that you can get online. I don't believe this is in store right now. If it's in your Costco, I hope that you can get it, but this is the item number 1784904. Right now, you're going to see a lot of security systems because that's just becoming more and more relevant in our lives, unfortunately. But this ring system is on sale. It's $70 off, or there's a floodlight system that is $50 off through September 22nd. I'm also seeing some Blink cameras, which are not on sale. These are $279.99 here at my Costco in Salt Lake City, Utah. This one is on sale though. This is a Blink camera. These work, I believe, with Google products. This is something I'm thinking about getting. This is the Smart Garage camera. This is on sale for $20 right now for just a couple extra days. But it's a garage camera to keep your garage nice and secure, which I really like. This is a new product. These are a 2-pack of these neck fans. I actually saw a lot of people using these in Japan last time I was there this summer. This is a 2-pack for $39.99, which I think is a really good deal. My bet is that these will go on sale soon because this is a new product. Right next to it, I see the Wuzu fan, which was on sale a couple months ago, but this is on markdown. As you can see, when you have this asterisk on here, it means it is a clearance item. So we love this fan. It works so well. It is so quiet and it works really well. If you have holiday travels coming up, this is really great. These are power cubes. So they go into an outlet like this, and it looks like they can connect as well. But then you can do extra charging like in a hotel room or when you're at a relative's home. There's USB, USB-C, and then there's also the 3-prong, which is really nice. These power cubes come in a 2-pack and they are $34.99. Okay, I love this time of year because Costco always has the best blankets and they're such good prices. I have this heated blanket, but these blankets are great for gifting, for just snuggling up with. They have the best deals at Costco on blankets. This is a new one that I haven't seen before here at Costco. This is an artisan mixed yarn throw. See that cute design? It's like super soft, but that's a really cute design. They also have some that are striped, and this one looks a little bit like the Minky blanket I have. This is a really good deal, $13.99. This would make a great gift and a really cute throw blanket to put on a couch. Costco is also the best place to get kids snow gear. Look how inexpensive these are. $35 for a several piece suit. My kids have these. And then they also have lots of shackets, jackets, coats, hoodies that are for boys and girls, and snow stuff. These youth snow pants are so great because they have the little suspenders on them, and that helps when you have kids that are like in the snow and they always fall down. I really like those. Really great deals, and you don't want to be without when you need it once it starts snowing, so these are great to pick up. They're also so inexpensive that they're great for donation. Like if you plan on donating any coats or anything over the holidays, they're a really good deal. This is where I got my toothbrush. I have the Sonicare Diamond Clean. It comes in a 2-pack. I have this exact thing. This is a really good deal. It's $100 off. They also have other toothbrushes that are on sale here, but the Diamond Clean is what I have and I absolutely love it. So I like it because it comes with 2 travel cases, which I use every time, and you put the toothbrushes in this glass and they charge in there, so it's not like a base that you have to plug it into. You just throw it in the glass and it's so good. I love this toothbrush. Here's a new product that I think would be a really fun gift. It is an iHome makeup mirror that's adjustable. It also has lights and a charging station. It also has speakers. Hello. So that's really nice. It would be like really cool like on a vanity. It actually looks very like sturdy, but I think that would be a really fun gift for someone who loves makeup or for girls. Love that. I have 18,000 tumblers, but I feel like I need this. It's so cute. I love this greenish teal color, and then this is a purple pink color. This is a Simple Modern 40 ounce tumbler, and at my Costco it is on sale right now. See if you can find these on clearance at your Costco. This is the Sur La Table digital kettle, and it also has like a steeping thing on in the middle, so you can see, so you can steep your teas and all sorts of things while it boils. This is $29.99. I actually need a new one because ours shattered everywhere. I dropped on accident. This is a new Frigidaire ice maker. This is like the Pebble ice machine, and this one's actually a lot cheaper. This is $149.99 at my Costco. This is a lot cheaper than the popular one that everyone gets on Amazon for like $550. You can give it a whirl. I like how you can see in the ice right now. It's pretty compact too for a Pebble ice machine, but that might be a fun gift for the holidays. Here's a Bentgo 2-pack. This is an amazing deal. At my Costco, they're only 20 bucks for two, which I think I paid like 40 bucks for both of mine. We use these for our kids' lunches every day, but the good thing about these ones is look how much bigger they are than the ones that I have at home. These are for like bigger kids, and it comes with a little divider, which is really nice. For bigger portions. We love these Bentgo boxes for school or for home lunch to bring to school. I don't need it, but I want it. Look how cute these bowls are. This is a 3-piece set, and it comes with 3 different designs. There's like this fridge design, this diamond design, and this little bumpy design. $13.99 for these serving bowls. These would be beautiful on a holiday table. Look how gorgeous this herringbone grazing board is. Costco started carrying some of their stuff last year. It's Berg Rock. Look how large that is. You could put anything on there for holiday entertaining. It would also look really beautiful on a backsplash. So you can see some ideas on how to use it here. That is really beautiful. So you can like hang it. It's only $25. I think that would be a really cute gift too. I don't need it, but I want it because I also have something that are basically just like these, but this is a 4-pack of these super cute tumblers. They're like, they have a cute little design on them, a lid, and a straw. They're glass too, and that's a great deal for $10. If you've ever used Swedish dishcloths, they are awesome. Look how cute these designs are. They're basically like, I don't know, you use them like paper towels or sponges. You can reuse them, which are really, really nice. So this looks like it is a 12-pack, which is a really good deal because this is $13.99 for all. You can see all the different designs, and then it looks like these ones have little like foxes on them. That's so cute. I really love Swedish dishcloth. This is a new product I have not yet seen. These are sound absorbing panels, so you can put them like on any kind of a wall. It looks like they come in 2 different colors, and they're 50 bucks. That's pretty cool. So if you have like somewhere that you need to kind of absorb some sound, or if you have a really noisy room, that might be a cool way to utilize these panels. We actually purchased these motion activated lights for our basement apartment above our kitchen sink down there. It doesn't have a ton of light. They are so cool. They come in a 2-pack, and you can kind of change the motion detection. You can tell like which angle you want the light to come from, and you only have to charge them once every 6 months. And they're USB-C, I believe. $21.99. These ones were a great purchase for us. I really like these because you don't have to wire them. And you know it's best time of the year when Costco brings out the Christmas trees. This is actually the tree that I have, and it has gone up in price this year, but it is amazing. This is the 12-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. Look how amazing the branches are. It is an artificial tree, but it looks so good. It's very full, and then you can change the lights to colored lights, to neutrals. You can change it to alternate or to blink or to keep it on one kind. They also have a smaller 7.5-foot tree, which is a fraction of the price. This is a really great tree. I really like where they source their Christmas trees from. They're great quality. This is a new offering at Costco. It's an orange dreamsicle cheesecake. I have not yet tried this, but it is $22.99, and it looks massive. This is also a newer offering at Costco. It's a lemon blueberry loaf. It's $8.99, and look at that yummy streusel on top. That actually looks really, really good. It looks like it has also the icing on there. It looks extremely heavy as well. So blueberries, butter streusel, lemon icing, and lemon batter for $9. These are new at Costco. These are a cinnamon Biscoff cookie bite. Bisconi? I'm not sure. Cinnamon chip bisconi. I'm not sure what that means. I think it just means it's like a combination of a cookie and a scone. But they have this like turbinado sugar on top and cinnamon chips. I bet those are really good. Those are a new offering here at Costco. This is a super cute vanity. I've actually been tempted to buy this, even though I absolutely do not need it. It's a super cute vanity with a lighted mirror. And the cool thing about this one is it has like soft close drawers, and it also has, I believe it has charging. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. I believe it has charging capabilities in the drawers. Ooh, this is cool. So you can put product in there. Of course, it was the last drawer I looked in. This bottom right drawer is a big double drawer. So this is like for hot tools that you can move this around, and it has a place where you can plug things in. I love that. I already have a vanity, but I think this is so cute for like a teenager or a girl for holidays. I love it. It's $4.99.99 for the vanity. This is a quick PSA that these are terrible. Do not buy them. Since it's been a minute since we've done a Costco video together, I thought I'd mention that Costco now uses bags instead of the little plastic clamshells. And it seems like it's a good deal for everyone involved. I don't really care for the bags, but it's fine. I've noticed that Costco also has new deli offerings. So this is a Euro kit. It has Euro meat, what are those called? Pitas, vegetables, feta cheese. That looks good. And this is a new one. This is beef and pork meatballs with pasta and sauce. This is not super new. It's new to my Costco, but I know it's been out for a long time. It's a yakisoba chicken stir fry with noodles, chicken, and vegetables. This is also new. This is a tempura shrimp taco kit. So I love their chicken taco kit. I bet this one's not too bad. It has tempura shrimp. It looks like a salsa blend, the crema that comes in their other one, some cabbage, and some tortillas. Right now, Costco is running their annual, I believe it's like P&G sale. So if you spend $100, you get a $25 Costco shop card, or if you spend $200, you get a $50 Costco shop card. And of course, everything is on sale, so you have to buy a lot, but it's a good time to stock up on stuff right before the holidays and to just have all your cleaning supplies for the next year. I know this is super random, but we bought these cute little monster toys for my dog's birthday, and she loves them. They're made with Kevlar, my gosh, but they are extremely durable. And I don't know why she loves them so much, but she adores them, and they're only $14.99 for two. So maybe consider picking these up. Here are some food deals that are on sale. Go-Gurt, yogurt, almond flour tortillas, and Babybel cheese. These are my husband's favorite. Brett loves these Dots pretzels. They're a little pretzel twist, and they taste very, very buttery. But I've never seen these Parmesan garlic flavored ones. I'm sure they're equally as good. Brett really loves these. It's a huge bag for $10, which is a really good deal because at a regular store, it's like a tiny bag for that much. Hey, look how pretty these glittering Christmas trees are. 2-pack for $32.99. This is a new product I've not seen at Costco before. These are really pretty. I love this. I'm just going to pan over some of the Christmas decorations that they have out already. Like I said, you never know when something is going to sell out, so it's important that if you like something, then you go and grab it. And then of course we have the famous Costco wrapping paper. This wrapping paper is amazing. It has it's like the best quality, and as you can see, it's double-sided. Every single roll is like super thick, like really expensive feeling paper, but it's only $15 for the 3 rolls. And then of course all of your gift wrapping needs. So we have tissue paper, bows, ribbon, cards, all the things, and of course, all of the Christmas gifts. So I'm just going to go and just show you some of the Christmas selection that they have. Like I mentioned before, all the winter stuff is out. So here we have beanies and gloves. These are things you don't want to be without. You don't want to finally need them and then have to go get them. This is a little headlamp beanie. I got these for my husband last year for his birthday, and he's really liked them for, you know, being outside, working when it's cold in the garage, hunting, camping. These have been really great, and they're pretty inexpensive, $29.99 for 2 of them, because on Amazon I believe it's about that much for 1. Dinner rolls are back at Costco. These are butter dinner rolls, 30 for $6. If you remember, Costco used to carry them in a big bag of rolls. These are kind of like pan-baked now, you can see, but we have not had rolls at Costco in a long time. I think sometimes these are seasonal for the holiday season. If you need rolls, this is a great place to get them. It's a beautiful time of year because the $6 gigantic pumpkin pie is back at Costco. It's only $6 and it weighs over 3 pounds. This is the best pumpkin pie you can possibly buy, and it's finally back. I know I've said before that Costco does not carry cupcakes, but I guess these aren't really cupcakes. These are massive. These are mini cakes with buttercream icing. They also come in chocolate buttercream with sprinkles. This is a 6-pack for $7.99, and as you can see, they're massive. They're like as big as their muffins because they're baked in the same tin. That's kind of cute. You could use like one of these single ones as a little smash cake. Those are a new offering at Costco, $7.99 for 6. We really love Kodiak cakes. There's protein in every serving, which, you know, I love that. But Kodiak cakes goes on sale about twice a year, and right now it is on sale through the 22nd for less than $10, $8.69. These evergreen waffles are new to my Costco. I've never seen these. Zucchini carrot cake mini waffles. It looks like there's 27 per bag with a full serving of fruits and veggies in each one. 4 grams of protein per serving, which I love. Protein, you know that. $10 for a 27-ounce bag. And I saw these on the internet. These are kind of going viral. This like croissant waffle phenomenon. But these are literally just croissants baked in a waffle iron. $12 for a pack of these. These are new. If you are a fan of Uncrustables but aren't quite a fan, if you know what I mean, Costco now has this Charlotte's brand. They're called Crust Offs. They have no artificial colors or flavors or corn syrup, which I really like. They are square and they have 11 grams of protein each, which these Uncrustables only have 10. So there's a little bit of a price difference. $12.99 for 18 of these and $13.99 for 18 of those. My friend here just convinced me I need to buy this. It's a men's, but the shacket. It comes in like gray, green, and blue, and I just got it for myself. It's so soft inside. It's warm, it's long, it's super soft. So I got it for me. Well, that was a successful Costco shopping trip. I got a lot of good things, and there were so many cute new holiday things I love this time of year at Costco. I wanted to share one quick tip is do not throw away your Costco receipt. If you ever just think you might need to return or exchange something the same day. I learned this the hard way when I usually just throw my receipt out as soon as I leave after they mark it, and I found out that the computer system doesn't update with your purchase the same day, the same time. I don't know exactly how long it takes to update in the system, but I had to exchange something that was damaged that I found like as I was packing up my car, and they said, oh, I'm sorry, like we can't tell that you bought it in the system if you don't have the receipt. So now I just keep my receipt just in case for any same day exchanges. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you watch this Costco Sam's Club video next, and we'll see you next time. Bye.